Good evening. It's been a couple weeks. Just getting here as we're on the floor right now. Most of the floorboards have been cut, the ends have been squared, and we're sitting on wallboards. And these are wallboards that are going to start going up. We're going to do these in kind of a very rough board and batten around the cabin. So wanted to do a little bit of update because we're going to move these off the top of here, set them off to the side before we start working the corners. Wanted to give you an update, and that's it. So the next probably 2 or 3 videos will be starting to get the walls done, and which is kind of exciting. And what we're going to do is something that I haven't seen done much recently. I do this in Hawaii a lot, and used to live in a house in Carmel where this was done. It's called single wall construction, where basically the wall is this is a little bit of a thicker board, but the outside wall sheeting is actually structural. So the board and batten will actually be the structure of the wall. There's going to be a header board and then a like a board across the bottom to tie them all together and stuff to add some strength as well. But they do this in a lot of areas, and a lot of your early cabins were done this way. And there's, especially out in Nevada, there was a lot of them done. And basically it's called single wall construction. It's the fastest for, you know, the board that you put on the outside is also the inside wall as well. And we'll see how it goes, but here we are. We're going to get started on it, and thanks for joining us. We appreciate it, and the time you spend with us. We thank you. We know you have other places that you can spend your recreation time. Hopefully, we can provide something a little bit entertaining and maybe enlightening as well. And if you would love to, we would love it if you would subscribe, because it does help us in the long run. And thank you very much.